Found what was making my knocking sound. I imagine it's probably fine. I might just throw a thicker oil in it and then just run it. It's not... I mean, nothing else is making that sound in there. I poked around everywhere with a light, and this was the only thing. Unfortunately, I found out that I have grenade gears in there. They look brand new though, so they're probably fine. But let me get a light here. Way in the back. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get this. Yeah, no. I can see it. I don't know if you can. But they're in there. There's one all the way in the back and one... where's the other one? Up there. Oh, whoa. That's not supposed to look like that. You can see it a little bit. There it is. It looks okay. There is one tooth that is concerning me a bit. I don't know. Everything else in the engine looks beautiful though. If it'll focus. Yeah. Pretty sure I found my problem though. Wiggly camshaft. If I rotate the engine. There's that sound. Is it this low? I don't know. See, that's the sound that's been concerning me for a bit. Don't know if you can hear it. Because when I run the engine on low RPMs, I hear a little bit of a knock, and all it goes is tun 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 tun. And when it's on higher RPMs, it just goes away. I hope it's not the grenade gears. And I poked stuff around in there. I moved the piston. Wasn't able to get to the other gears though. I don't know, man. I'm probably just gonna run it though. A plastic governor? What? I thought it'd be metal. Typically they are. Oh, no. Yeah, it's definitely the camshaft. Anyway, that's all I got. I was wrong, that's not it. Recently it's been leaking just a tiny bit from here. It'll drip down to here and it'll just kind of sit there for a while and then drip there. It's very small oil leak. It is wiggly, a little wiggly. Just wondering what I can do to fix it.